The upcoming all-electric 2025 Ram 1500 REV pickup truck takes life from cords instead of horns. Following the excitement of full-size EV pickup trucks already available, such as the Ford F-150 Lightning and Rivian R1T, the REV promises both wide range and impressive towing capacity. The REV is a battery-powered version of the gas-powered Ram 1500. Like its future EV rivals, the Ram 1500 REV has a solid onboard chassis and is slimlined with enough LED lighting to cover a short track. The Ram EV concept was a wildly futuristic truck with a few weird features. The production version looks like the gas-powered version. The REV is initially shown as a short-bed crew cabin model. 2 larger battery packs will be offered for up to 500 miles of driving, according to the Ram. The REV will be able to tow 14,000 pounds, depending on options. Ram says it will use an 800-volt architecture that allows fast DC fast charge rates. While the days of the petrol Ram 1500 are not yet over, the EV version is a nod to the ultimate replacement of the old truck.